Good morning. I'm going to, first of all, I'm Eric Woodard. Nice to meet you. I'm glad you're in the class. This is a really cool class. You get to kind of do whatever you want and study whatever you want, so it's a pretty cool deal. So I'm going to show you how to sign up for Coursera. So go to Coursera.org and then you're going to create an account. And once you create an account, so you're going to join for free. And I want you to join with your username being your email and your password being your 8-digit birthday. Because we need to go in, sometimes we have to pay for a class and all that stuff, and we want to make it easy. And if that's the case, then that's perfect. So I'm going to log in. And I'm going to log in as myself. I didn't use my district email, but I didn't have to because I know my username and password. So once we're in, you just go to the search bar. Let's say you're really into art. So let's just do art. Let's do modern art and IDS. So I'm just going to search art. Sorry, my computer's slow this morning. So modern art and ideas, graphic design. This is a specialization. What that means is that there are multiple courses in order. So you would obviously start with the first one most likely. You don't have to, but you probably would. Healing with the arts, modern and postmodern art, post. Okay, I don't need to read this to you. You can see it. Fashion is design. That's kind of cool. And there are a lot more. You can see. We'll just keep searching. So I'm just going to click on one at random and show you what it's going to look like. That seems really specific. Let's look at that. So this is offered by the University of Tokyo. That's what it said on the link. University of Tokyo. You can find out about the course down here. You can look at the syllabus. See what's going to go on during the week. You can see here it's only a 4-week class. There's 78 minutes worth of videos. So you can see all that. So you can kind of look around and see what's there. And then if you want to take the class, you click enroll for free. And you're going to get a window that looks like this. You do not want to purchase the course. You want the full course, no certificate. And then once you do that, you can get all the information that you need and you can send it to me. Now some of them you have to pay. Let me see if, I'm going to pause and see if I can find one where you have to pay. So I found a class, it's graphic design, and that was the specialization, remember, and it says enroll for free and there's a 7-day full access free trial. This generally means it is going to cost. So we're going to go here. You can say it's $49 per month. Now, the agreement in the past has been that they will pay for that, but we have more people in IDS this year than we've ever had, so I don't know if they're going to. So if this is a class you really, really want to take, great. What you're going to do is when you click Start Free Trial, it's going to ask for credit card information. You don't have to give your credit card information. I will send that in to the people downtown, and if they have your username and password that is correct, they will go in and pay for it in like a day. So if you send me that information and say, hey, I really need this class paid for, then they will go in behind you because they have your username and password. But I would really prefer, especially for the first time, to make sure that you like it, is to find a class that doesn't cost. And there are so many classes on here that I don't think that should be a problem. Let's look. Let's say you're really into. I teach psychology, so let's look at some of the classes in psychology. Intro to Psych. Some of you have already taken it. Social Psych. The neurobiology of everyday life. I've had students take this class before, and it's great. It's just basically what makes us happy, and it's a cool class. Positive psychiatry is also what makes us happy. But you can do anything. You can search computer programming. I don't even know if there's one that shows you how to make apps. Oops, forgot the G. Programming. I want to do some computer programming. Let's see. Creating apps. Oops. I haven't had my first cup of coffee yet today. Ooh, maintainable Android apps. That was Android. I'm going to try iOS, since that is the operating system of the iPad and the iPhone. Ooh, iOS application developer. Ooh, this is cool. So if you want to learn how to develop apps. Now, I don't know, again, how much time that'll take and how much expertise that requires. I can't imagine it would require too much, but here's the deal. Especially if your class is free. If you get into a class, you do the first week, you still have to complete the week, you still have to do the journal. But if you don't like it, and if you say this is way over my head and I can't do it, then let's try something else. The idea is this is you finding something that you love, and if you don't, and if you hate it, let's get the heck out and just be in contact with me. And you should have signed up for the Remind. I had that at the top. If you want to sign up for the Remind, all you have to do is with your phone, I don't need to show you, go like you're going to text somebody, but the phone number you put in is 81010, 81010. That's the phone number you text. And then you type in as the message to that phone number, the @ SVLIDS, Spokane Virtual Learning Individually Designed Studies, @ SVLIDS, and you should get a message back, and that is a way I can keep in contact with you. So that is kind of the quick and dirty of signing up for Coursera, the quick and dirty of signing up for Remind. Obviously, there are probably going to be more questions, but you know how to get a hold of me. My information is on the site, and I'm happy to talk to you and meet with you. So good luck to you.